ओके, आज आज अपन पहले देखते हैं बैंक निफ्टी का चार्ट. लेट्स लुक एट बैंक निफ्टी. व्हाट डज बैंक निफ्टी suggest for the coming week? Now, if we observe in the since last 1 month, Bank Nifty has been broadly in a range of 35,000 to 36,700 kind of approximately 1700 points range since more than a month, with multiple times some high volumes here and last week some volume rise being seen. Overall, it looks like comparing to the last week volumes, if we observe, it looks like Bank Nifty is about to give a break of this range in coming week or two max. Will this happen next week या उससे ज़्यादा टाइम लेगा? वो लेवल्स, प्राइस लेवल्स ब्रेक पे डिसाइड होगा. What it looks like now and what are the important reference to watch? If we observe, यहाँ पे अगर 35,000 to 34,800 zone, this is very important. 34,800 to 35,000 zone. If it sustains and closes below this, then this can give a move all the way till towards 33,000, 32,900 kind of levels. That is going and testing the previous resistance, which will be now be the support. If it does not give breakdown below 34,800, then once again it can give a test of this range on a higher side towards 36,700, and in fact it may give breakout above that. Coming Monday or Tuesday will be very important for the Bank Nifty, where it will be deciding factors for the Bank Nifty to whether it is about to give a breakdown or breakout or moving further breakout. Since last 3 days volumes have been rising. In fact, last week completely Friday's volume were higher out of the last week, and these volumes have come right around the support of 35,000, 34,800, the lows of 34,887 on Friday in the Bank Nifty future, again bouncing from that support zone, the range of 1 month zone. सो ये क्रिटिकल सपोर्ट जोन के पास में बैंक निफ्टी है, उसको टेस्ट करके डिफेंड कर रहा है. इफ यू ऑब्जर्व, यहाँ पे 1 टाइम किया है, यहाँ पे 2nd टाइम किया है, एंड दिस इज द 3rd टाइम. एंड हिस्टोरिकली वी हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड बैक टू बैक अगर एक सपोर्ट के पास में इंडेक्स या स्टॉक रेगुलरली उसको टेस्ट करता है, तो अल्टीमेटली व्हेन इट गिव्स अ ब्रेकडाउन, इट गिव्स अ फास्ट मूव. सो अगर ये नेक्स्ट वीक मंडे या ट्यूसडे में फॉलो थ्रू आ गया फ्राइडे के नीचे, देन वी कैन सी ए फास्ट डाउन साइड टूवर्ड्स 33,200, 33,000, 32,900. This complete 300 point zone will be very important to be watched, and this may get tested. Alternatively, if 34,800 is once again defended and we see a strong reversal with good volumes from here now, then we can expect a breakout above 36,800, a test of 36,700, 800, and ultimately it can even give a breakout above that. And if it gives a breakout above 36,800, then we can expect a targets all the way towards these highs of 37,800 and crossing towards approximately 1,800, 2,000 points from 36,800. If we calculate, the target comes around 38,700, 39,000 zone. So a big move is likely in a March series itself in Bank Nifty, and which may start its move in the coming month. Indication of which may be most likely we may get in coming week, Monday or Tuesday. Be alert, get ready to capture a big move. So अब देखते हैं निफ्टी में क्या दिख रहा है स्ट्रक्चर पैटर्न. निफ्टी, लेट्स सी व्हाट निफ्टी सजेस्ट. लास्ट वीक I have suggested, as per these high volumes of Friday, which can be important if 14,500 goes, the bias was looking for a downside, and ultimately what market has done is Monday after gap up, it has continued a up move. So it market has not even broken 14,500, the lows of Friday, big moves, last Fridays. Now, if we observe the last week move, मार्केट ने एक ब्रेकआउट दिया है हाई वॉल्यूम कैंडल के अपसाइड में. आफ्टर गिविंग ए ब्रेकआउट it tried to move higher and then it has come down to retest that level. Friday ka candle, a doji candle formation right at the resistance turned support of this high volume candle के जो भी highs थे उसके exact पास में इसने closing दिया है Friday को. Full day it was trying to trade between 15,100 and 14,900 and ultimately after giving a dip it has reversed back to close around 14,950. Overall, as of now, the pattern looks market is consolidating for a big move. Market is deciding a direction. After a consolidation, suddenly we may see a big move. A move to the magnitude of, we can say, at least 800 to 1,000 points from 15,000 reference or 14,950 reference. Whatever you consider 800 to 1,000 points move, which may happen within a March series, probability looks very high. And here also, similar to Bank Nifty, if we observe last 2 days volumes are very good. In Bank Nifty, volumes were rising and last 2 days volumes were higher. 14,900 for 15,100. These two are the most deciding levels for the Nifty future. If it sustains below 14,900, closes below 14,900, have a stop loss of 15,100 and look for the targets of 14,500, 400 zone, this zone, gap zone. And ultimately it moving all the way after this 14,500, 400 zone test, it may ultimately move towards 14,000 references, which is the very important support of 14,000 to 13,700. This is the most important support zone for the year 2021, complete year. Decider zone. But for the immediate coming week and for the immediate March series, 13,900, 14,900, 15,100. These two are the references to be watched. Market may do more of a time pass or consolidation within this 200 points range, or it may extend a bit of 50 points here and there, but ultimately closing here or there is important. 14,900, 15,100. If we look at the weekly chart, last week, that is the previous week, Nifty future had a volumes of 7.5 crore and last week it had a volume of 6.9 crore, sorry 6.7 crore. These both the week volumes are very high and consolidated consecutively 2 weeks of highest volume. If we observe, we haven't seen it since many months. Some big action is getting ready. Weekly charts also suggest, weekly volume suggest market is preparing for a big move, directional big move. But before that, it is taking a pause, consolidating, deciding its course, which direction it is likely to go, and which is quite normal of a big after a big one side up move. It's a time for a consolidation. Broadly, 14,600, 15,300. This is the range being played. And once again, if it goes here, if it gives a breakdown, we can see a move till 14,000. Or if it reverses from here, this time it can give a breakout higher side. So 14,600, 15,300 is a broad range, a 700 points range. Ultimately, once this consolidation completes, once this range move gives a breakout of any side, we can see a good trending move. But immediate references for the coming week 14,900, 15,100. Anything you would like to add, Vijay?
इनफैक्ट ओपन इंटरेस्ट मैं देख रहा था बोथ इंडिसेस पे, क्यूमुलेटिव ओपन इंटरेस्ट में काफी चेंज आया है। निफ्टी में ओआई चेंज कुछ लास्ट 2 डेज में एक दिन 18 या 19% चेंज हुआ था और फ्राइडे को कुछ 4% के आसपास चेंज इन ओपन इंटरेस्ट है। सिमिलरली बैंक निफ्टी में भी काफी चेंज है ओपन इंटरेस्ट में। आई थिंक फ्राइडे को कुछ 6.5% चेंज इन ओपन इंटरेस्ट था और थर्सडे को 9.25%। 2 दिन में इतना ओपन इंटरेस्ट चेंज, मतलब कुछ होने वाला है, कुछ बड़ा। सो आई थिंक जो रेंज तुमने बताया बोथ निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी, आई थिंक वो बॉटम और टॉप उन दोनों चीजों को हमें ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा। जिस तरफ मार्केट टूटेगा ऊपर की तरफ या नीचे की तरफ, बहुत बड़ा मूव आने वाला है।
Yeah, I will not be surprised to see a move in the magnitude of around 15 to 20% one side move from the reference of 15,000. Now this may happen in March series or it may get extended towards April, May. I am not sure about that. And I don't want to bet on the timing part of the move. But the only thing I would suggest is to be alert and not to miss the move. And even volumes are suggesting, as you said, open interest. If we observe, even volumes are suggesting some back-to-back big volumes, good volumes within a narrow range. So market is preparing for some big move. So anytime before we big move, we observe that a lot of hand changes takes place from the smart money. And then once the smart money gets their enough desired position, the move gets triggered in a faster way, so that majority of the retail misses the bus. So which side the direction will be, instead of preempting it, better to follow the levels so that we can get a good trending move in a direction where the smart money is planning for. So risk is of just 200 points any side, and we can get a move all the way towards the magnitude of 1500 points or 2000 points one way. Now will it be 16,500, 17,000 on upside, or it will be a move towards 13,500, 13,000 on a downside? Everything is dependent how this range breaks. And even here, as you said, open interest, if you observe this yellow line, this is the Nifty future open interest one. So last 3 days, open interest has moved from 1 crore 2 lakhs to all the way toward 1 crore 28 lakhs, approximately 25% rise in open interest in last 3 days, which is very significant. We have never seen such a huge sudden rise in open interest ever. So the market is preparing for a big directional move. But also this being a financial year ending month for the Indian investors, traders, big HNIs, everyone. So this would make some big impact maybe this month or immediately in the next month. We need to be prepared for a big move instead of preempting it. And in our option charts, in option charcha, we will discuss in detail. And do watch that option video, which will be where we'll be discussing from options point of view, what does the option suggest.